Now it's time to brine the turkey, or in my case, the breast. You want to have an extra bowl handy to put the gravy in, or if you're baking a full-size turkey, you're going to have to pull the neck and the giblets out of the cavity. Have a bowl handy for that. I would normally do this over the sink. And I have a waste basket right here next to the table. Here's the gravy packet that goes in the bowl. Now this turkey breast comes with a net around it, and I'm going to cut that off. I can't put a rub on this breast with the net in the way. I'm going to set the turkey aside for a minute and make my brine. And these are going in the sink. I have to wash and disinfect them. And I'm setting the gravy aside also. Have a clean Ziploc bag. I have 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. And I'm going to add a squeeze of lemon juice. One bottle of water goes in, and I'm going to mix this up. Pay no attention to the tool I'm using. Now I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to leave the turkey in the bag, and I'm going to take this knife and I'm going to poke some holes in it because I don't have a flavor injector. I have one gloved hand and one clean hand. This glove is already dirty. I'm going to use my gloved hand to handle the turkey breast. I'm transferring the breast over to the brine. And with my gloved hand, I'm going to close this up. Now I take my dirty glove off. I'm such a clean freak when I do this. Honestly, you can never be too safe when handling fresh poultry. Salmonella is always a threat. Now the turkey breast is going to be fully submerged in the bowl. And there it is. I'm going to let this turkey breast soak in the brine until it thaws out.